Let us try to explore more about Twitter ads. Okay, so once you log in, you will be taken directly to the Twitter home. If you have already logged in, it will directly take you to the dashboard. Okay, and you can go to the more option and click on Twitter ads, and it will take you to a platform. Okay, which is basically called ads.twitter.com. Okay, so it will take you to the screen where you actually left off earlier. Okay, place where you have already done that one. Okay, so basically you can go to this one, ads.twitter.com. Okay, it is taking me directly to the new campaign setup. Okay, oh, let me go to this direct link itself, more Twitter ads. That is one way of going there. Okay, and another way of getting into Twitter ads is go to Google, start searching for, or directly visit ads.google.com. Just hit enter, it will take you to the campaign creator section. Else the beautiful way is to go online and search for Twitter ads. Okay, so ads.twitter.com, visit this, it will take you to the campaign creator page. Okay, so these are all the different campaign creation options we have. We will be creating advertisements. We need to have a paid technique. Remember, when you create an account with this one, you are required or mandatory to update your credit card information. That's very, very important. Okay, without updating the credit card information, we will not be able to proceed further to create advertisements. Though it allows you for some time, but later once you end up or reach the final goal of publishing the campaign, you will be required to publish the campaign. Okay, if you pay close attention to this one, Twitter ads has different goals similar to Facebook. One is awareness, another one is consideration, and finally is a conversion. Obviously, awareness means taking your product and helping people to reach several audiences, at least showing the advertisement to one person. Consideration means we will expect a person to come and consider doing an activity either by clicking on a link, going to the next page, okay, playing a video, applying for the course, something like that, signing up for the newsletter, something like that. Okay, so consideration, people will decide or consider doing something. Okay, the third one is basically the conversion. Preferably the user or the visitor is expected to go click on the link and make a purchase, especially a transaction that is happening on your website. That is basically a conversion. Okay, not necessarily a conversion. Okay, consideration means people will consider to click on something. They may not. But conversion means people may come, they may potentially do an activity based on your conversion requirement, either a sales or watching a video or adding a product to the cart or making a purchase, something like that. Okay, so basically under in the conversion category. Okay, so there is something called reach to brand your business. Video views. Okay, you have a video, maybe a movie trailer or even a movie where you want to increase the number of people who view your video content. Okay, that goes under video views. Okay, pre-roll views. Okay, so you will be having a content that is published as a premium content. Okay, which is paid basically. So what will happen is it will show your content like a trailer. A small piece of content will be shown like a trailer. Okay, so that will be used. That's basically pre-roll views. So it will also be used to promote your full video or the content. Okay, app installs, that talks about installing the mobile application. Okay, increasing the number of installation that can happen on your mobile smartphone. Okay, the next goal is basically about website clicks, which means you will drive visitors to a particular link, maybe your YouTube video link, maybe your Udemy course link, or maybe your your own website of your choice. So this will drive visitors to your website. Okay, engagement. Do you want to increase the number of tweets and retweets for your post? Do you want to increase the comment for your post? So those options comes under the engagements. Okay, Followers, do you want to increase the number of followers who are following you? Okay, under this category is basically followers. Okay, so we have other options under conversion, which is basically app re-engagement, which means people will install an application using app installs. So this is one goal comes under consideration. What if people have installed the campaign and they are sitting idle, silent, they don't do anything? It has been 2 days, 3 days since people installed the campaign and nobody is taking an action. Now, here is where the app re engagement campaign falls into, where there will be a push notification sent, there will be a notification displayed on people's phone, which will make people to explore the application and get inside and do some activity, so making the people to engage with the application, so which is basically called re-engagement. Okay, so app re-engagement is one such goal. Okay, so there are some specific advertisement types like messages, which was there in Facebook, is not here. Okay, calls, giving a phone call and talking to you is not available here. Okay, so every individual platform has got a unique way of advertising, and Twitter has got this many advertisement campaigns. Preferably, you say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and yeah, total 8 business goals are available with respect to Twitter. Okay, we will try to explore the video, I mean the campaign creation of each and every advertisement type, and see how do we select the audience, how do we define the time zone, not time zone, basically the schedule. Okay, and how do we define our budget? Okay, how does it accept and all other stuff. Okay, irrespective of any campaign you take, okay, 80 percentage of the all the campaign types will be similar, which means you have to name your campaign, you have to create an ad set for your campaign, you have to create advertisement for your campaign, we have to define who are our audience profile. Okay, we have to define our daily budget or the total budget. Okay, and if at all if there is a requirement, you need to submit the creative. The only condition with Twitter is, okay, whatever you want to promote, either a video, a mobile application, or image, or a content, that should be published as a tweet first. Okay, go to the twitter.com account and publish it as a tweet, so that other people can get notified about it. Okay, once the tweet is published, we can take that particular tweet and promote it using the advertisement campaigns options available here. Okay, so we will try to explore each and every advertisement types and goal available here to explore more about the Twitter ads.